In a dimly lit room, Alex's computer sneezed, echoing through the silence. Each sneeze grew louder, more human like. He stared, paralyzed, as the screen flickered, revealing a distorted face. It whispered his name, promising secrets of the universe. Desperate, Alex leaned closer, feeling a cold breath on his neck. The computer sneezed again, releasing a dark mist that enveloped him. He gasped, feeling his skin crawl as if something was trying to escape from within. The face on the screen grinned, its eyes void of humanity. Join us, it beckoned. Like, comment, and subscribe for more chilling tales.